Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 4. How are you? Hope all of you are well by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIEVS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School. Dear learners, today I am going to conduct a Bangladesh and Global Studies class. In short, it is BGS class for the students of class 4. Let's see our today's topic. It is chapter 5, Values and Behavior, Competency Based Broad Questions 1 and 2. I am telling again, in our topic section, you will have chapter 5, Competency Based Broad Questions 1 and 2. Dear learners, look here, this is our lecture number 8 and homework number 6 on our half yearly syllabus. Dear students, we shall start with the questions directly. So in these connections, I request all of my students to look at both. So look, here is also written, it is written lecture number 8 and homework number 6, chapter 5, competency based broad questions. Look at number 1, and this will be your homework also. Is there any difference between values and behavior? Explain. Okay, that means in the answer we will see the difference between the values and behavior, then we will explain. Answer. Values are the collection of guiding principles that we develop from our home, school or community. That means from the first sentence we have got the from the definitions and the sources of values. These are beliefs or ideas of a particular person. Honesty, sense of justice, discipline, etc. are the examples of values. So I am telling again, look at the examples of values. It is honesty, sense of justice, discipline, etc. are the examples of values. Now behavior. Behavior is the way we act or approach towards. Doing good to each other is a part of good social behavior. So look at the sentence again. Doing good to each other is a part of good social behavior. Both values and behavior are important for good social environment. Dear learners, in the first questions, we have got the definition and the sources of values. Okay, here 3 important examples of values are given. For example, honesty, sense of justice, discipline. And here we have, and below, little bit below, we have got the definition of behavior. So look here, doing good to each other is a part of good social behavior. And both of these 2 qualities, these are the 2 virtues. For example, values and behavior are very important for maintaining a good social environment. And this will be your homework number 6, number 1. Okay, now questions number 2, competency based broad questions number 2. What is good behavior and how does it help us to make the society a better place? Look at the questions at first. What is good behavior and how does it help us to make the society a better place? Answer. Good behavior is the things we do to make the society a better place. So from the first sentence, we have got what is the usefulness of the good behavior. Good behavior is the things we do to make the society a better place, while values are the moral beliefs. Mind it. At first good behavior, then values. Values are the moral beliefs. Behavior is the use of those beliefs. Here we have seen that values are the moral beliefs and behavior is the practical use of these beliefs. We have a responsibility to do good to each other, looking after the younger, respecting the elders and helping others in need are the examples of good behavior. Dear learners, give your focus on the examples. So look, looking after the youngers, respecting the elders and helping others in need are the examples of good behavior. When we do good or help to each other, the society becomes a better place to live in. This is the answer. So for your better understanding, to have a clear crystal idea regarding good behavior and values, I am telling you again. Good behavior is the things to do to make the society a better place, while values are the moral beliefs. Behavior is the use of those beliefs or practical beliefs. We have a responsibility to do good to each other, looking after the younger, respecting the elders and helping others in need are the examples of good behavior. Finally, when we do good or help each other, the society becomes a better place to live in. Okay, now we have finished the competency based word questions number 2. Dear learners, I want to get your focus again. So look here, I am focusing on it. Okay, look, it is competency based word questions. This is your homework, and this is your 6 number homework. Dear students, when you will see it for writing or doing your homework, don't forget to write chapter 5. Chapter 5, then lecture number 8, then homework number 6, then competency based word questions 1. I hope all of my students of class 4 will do this homework properly and try to memorize these 2 competency based word questions. Finally, see you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.